This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Power on the Xbox and sign in, then make sure your PC has the Xbox Accessories app and Windows updates installed. If using streaming, enable remote features on Xbox and set instant on power. If using Capture or USB-C, connect the cable to the console and to a free USB 3.0 port on your PC. Once done, open the Xbox app on the PC so it can discover the console. This gets your devices ready and visible for the next steps. You should now connect through the Xbox app by selecting consoles and choosing your Xbox. The app will initiate the stream over the local network. Make sure you pick the desired streaming quality. Higher quality needs more bandwidth, so choose balanced if lag appears. If you're using a capture card instead, open OBS or game capture software, add the capture device, and set input to the card's HDMI resolution and 60Hz. Once configured, test a short clip to confirm audio and video sync. Finish by securing settings. Lock frame rate and confirm audio routing so party chat and microphone go to the right device. If you see lag or stutter, switch both Xbox and PC to wired Ethernet to lower latency and packet loss. Should the Xbox app fail to connect, restart the console, PC, and router, then verify Windows Firewall allows the Xbox app and that the console isn't in sleep mode. If problems persist, reconnect cables and rerun the app discovery to reset the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.